This is the elevator at 417 Thorn Street in Sewickley, Pennsylvania. This is an Otis elevator. I think it's a Gen 2. Center opening door. 3. Here we go. It is a HydroFit, not a Gen 2. My bad. There's 3. Right to a 10 and go back down to 1. It's annoying how door close does not work on this. Certificate installed in 2016. It's a basic stainless steel Otis cabinet. It's a rather tall cabinet for what this is. Has LED spot lighting. Has both a key lockout and there's a card reader. Here we go. 1. It's a touchscreen directory there. And that's gonna be it.